Hi, friends! Do you know our bodies can make lots of funny sounds? Let's learn 15 body sounds together. Ready? Let's go! When you smell a flower, you sniff. When your nose tickles, you sneeze. When your throat feels scratchy, you cough. When you're sleepy or bored, you yawn. When we sleep deep and cozy, we snore. Sometimes your tummy says, hic. That's a hiccup. When it's hard to breathe, you wheeze. When you're happy, you laugh. When you're sad or hurt, you cry. After you eat or drink, burp. Oops. Pucker your lips and blow. You whistle. When you're excited, you clap. When your fingers click, you snap. When you eat your food, you chew. When you drink juice fast, you slurp. Wow, our bodies make so many sounds. Which one do you make today? If you like this video, then like and subscribe for more fun. Bye, dears.